What if I told you a machine can learn without ever being explicitly programmed? No teacher, no textbook, no human explaining every step. And yet, it can recognize your face, predict what you'll type next, even beat the best humans at complex games. So the question is, how does a machine actually learn? At its core, machine learning is not magic. It's not consciousness. It's not intelligence in the way we understand it. It's pattern recognition at an unimaginable scale. Instead of writing rules like, if you see whiskers and fur, it's a cat, we give machines thousands, sometimes millions of examples, and the machine figures out the rules itself. Imagine teaching a child what a dog looks like. You don't give them a definition. You show them dogs. Big dogs, small dogs, fluffy dogs, dogs in weird angles. Over time, the child builds an internal understanding. Machine learning works the same way. We feed a model data, and it learns patterns hidden inside that data. This data could be images, text, numbers, even sound. The more high-quality data it sees, the better it gets. But here's where it gets interesting. A machine doesn't just look at data, it trains on it. Training is a process of trial and error. The model makes a prediction. Then it checks, was I right or wrong? If it's wrong, it adjusts itself. Tiny changes, millions of times. Think of it like tuning a guitar. At first, the sound is off, but with every adjustment, it gets closer to perfect. This process is powered by mathematics, especially something called optimization. The goal? Minimize mistakes. Not all learning is the same. There are three major ways machines learn. 1. Supervised learning. This is learning with a teacher. We give the machine data along with the correct answers. Like showing images labeled cat or dog. The machine learns to map inputs to outputs. 2. Unsupervised learning. No labels, no answers. The machine explores data on its own. It finds hidden patterns, groups, or structures, like discovering clusters of similar customers without being told what they are. 3. Reinforcement learning. Learning through rewards and punishment, just like training a dog. Do something right, reward. Do something wrong, penalty. Over time, the machine learns strategies. This is how AI learned to master games, from chess to complex simulations. Now, let's go deeper. Many modern AI systems use something called neural networks, inspired by the human brain, but much simpler. They are made of layers of connected nodes. Each node processes information and passes it forward. At first, these connections are random, but during training, they adjust, strengthening some connections, weakening others. Slowly, the network starts to understand, not like a human, but enough to make accurate predictions. So why does this actually work? Because the world is full of patterns. Patterns in language, patterns in images, patterns in behavior. Machine learning is simply a way to capture those patterns mathematically. The more data, the better the pattern. The better the pattern, the smarter the system appears. So, the next time your phone predicts your next word, or unlocks with your face, remember this: it didn't think. It learned from data, from mistakes, from patterns, and in doing so, it changed the way we understand intelligence itself.